Alright, so just finished eating my dinner and I'm going back to the Bay Area there. Maybe I'll go to some cafe around there to kill some time until the countdown. So right now it's around 7 p.m. So I have to wait for like at least 5 more hours. Yeah, so just gonna relax around here. Let's see what I have. Now, where's the Ferris wheel though that I wanted to go check it? It's strange that till now the Ferris wheel is still stationary now. Is no one riding on it, or is it not working at the moment? The Sunset Bar here. I'm not sure if I want to spend money on there. So as you can see, also the nightlife happening is around here when it comes to Pasay. And I believe the firework will take place around here. Oh, the block of the area. Oh, is this the cafe I wanted to go? I mean, I think it's this one. Yeah, damn. There's a lot of people gathering here though. Wait, I got the feeling that the firework countdown might be around here. Guys, as you can see, there's so many people gathered around here. Okay, the cafe is completely full. Can't go there. Oh, a lot of people like camping around here. What else there? Oh my gosh, it's very crowded. Okay, so you can see that the Christmas tree is now already light up. Alright. Let me go check at the Ferris wheel first. Or maybe it's moving but at a very slow pace. Maybe. It's very crowded at the moment. It's going to get more crowded as time passes when it's near to the countdown. Yeah. Oh my gosh. So many people. Alright, damn, look at it. So many crowd around here. Wow, man. People are willing to wait here for this 4 hour, another 4 hour, and just walk here. So crowded. Alright. Now heading to the Ferris wheel. I got one place in mind. It's Gilligan. Oh my gosh, there's so many people here. Alright, I'm gonna scroll here. More RI. Yeah, there is. Oh, quite a lot of long queue there. Wait, where do is the queue? Okay, so regular 200, VIP 250. I wonder what's the difference though? We have VIP. Maybe it's like the placement. How high is it? Like the VIP is at here. So let's check here. Oh wow, the crowds. Okay, the crowd is around here. Let's just buy the ticket first. Right. Tickets, yeah. Inclement weather. Oh, so the VIP is the fast lane with glass floor. Okay. I mean, I could just go for the VIP. Just 50 pesos different. So why not, right? Plus you can skip lane. Yeah. Skip queue, you can say. VIP? Yeah, for one. Okay, thank you.
Pwede po bang card?
Let's cross. Yeah. Right, so the entrance is here. Oh, so this is the VIP entrance. KFC. Okay, we got the fast lane here. So this is the regular lane, and this is the VIP entrance. So you can get a much more faster, queue. Doesn't have to wait too long. I'm excited for it. I think this is the only ride that I'm gonna go, because like I said, I'm holding like this camera rig. And I'm not afford to like dismantle all that again. Like it's very nice. Hello. Yeah, I guess that's how it is though. The speed is like very slow, so that at least you can like enjoy the view. Right. I have to keep like constantly check my watch. Oh, I hate that. Seriously. So bad. Yeah, so after going for the Ferris wheel ride, maybe I'll go to some tea shop and all that, buy some drink, and then like take a rest for like 3 to 4 hours. So just to show you guys how the ticket look like, it's here. The VIP ticket, 250 pesos. So I think one difference when it comes to VIP and non-VIP is that this is the non-VIP one, the one without the transparent glass, and this is the VIP one, the white one. At least that's what I can understand. Let's see which one I will go. I think it's the white one. VIP? Yes. Alright.
Sir, picture.
Okay.
Bye. One more.
Okay, thank you. Alright. Okay, so this is the VIP. Oh, got aircon here. But the other one, it's not aircon. Okay. But it's kind of like murky. How do you see from here? Or maybe like from this side you can see. Yeah. If from here, I don't know. Let me switch seat. Okay. Yeah, I guess we can get some nice view around here. Let's see. Or maybe around here or here. I mean, it's nice that there's aircon. I think the other one doesn't have it. Oh no, we're going up more, further up. And well, can you see it? Can you see the view? Can get a nice look of the hotel, the Conrad. Okay, I always thought that the VIP is the red one though, because got the KFC that one logo when I go to the VIP lane, but it turned out it's the opposite. Kind of, you can get a nice view because the window is a bit not in a great condition. But how about here? How about here? Ooh, scary though. Transparent glass. Woo! Well, now we're going much more further up. My heart is racing now. Oh, it's going much more higher than that. Oh man. I don't know if I can take it. Oh no. I'm such a wuss, seriously. I'm a bit paranoid though. Especially like after seeing like so many Final Destination movie. Oh gosh. Right. Oh, it's getting more higher and higher already. Calm down. Everything's gonna be fine. Yeah, take a look at that. Oh wow. Look at how lively this part of area in Pasay. You see, so vivid and vibrant with so many light around here. I saw some concert though. Not sure if you guys can see it. Wait, it's because this thing is blocking, so I can't really show you, but let me go to the other side. Do you see that one? Let me zoom in. Is it possible or not? Do you see that? Yeah, there's like a concert going on that side. Okay, what is happening? I hear some rustling sound. Alright, then this guy here beside me is taking photo. Okay, I'm gonna stop being busybody. Alright, how is the view? And we are descending down. Like normally, like theme parks tend to be very lively because there's a lot of entertainment going on and many type of restaurant, many eatery, and the space is quite I won't say wide, but it can accommodate to quite a large number of crowds though. As you can see, the one that is at the Christmas tree there, that's where most of the people are waiting. Because if I'm not mistaken, the firework will take place around that part of the area. Maybe. How about here? Is there anything interesting? So far, no. Yeah, I can see from here, there's quite a large number of crowd waiting. They are sitting. And alright, we're done. Alright, thank you. Alright, let's go out. I come here to claim the photo. Oh man, do I want to claim my photo? I don't like to see my ugly face though. Damn it. And supposedly they give you this one so you can claim your photo. Got my ugly picture. And it costs 150 peso if you want to take your picture. If not, you just leave it. And right now I'm struggling to find a place for me to settle down for a while. Even Starbucks is quite full though. If let's say I can't find any restaurant or place where I can sit away, I'm just gonna, I don't know, wait nearby the Christmas tree there. Oh, look at it. Damn, son. I have to keep raising my camera rig because there's too many people and I keep bumping to someone else. There is like a park right here, but then it's full. Ooh. Yeah, this is the place that I'm talking about. Black Cafe. Okay, like around here it's not so crowded. There's plenty of space for you to walk. Yeah, as you can see, not so crowded. Oh, wait. Don't tell me this seafood island also is full. No! Yeah, it's completely full. As you can see, there are some people are sitting, waiting there. Like, at this moment, I don't care what restaurant it is. It is like fine dining, like so be it. Wow, cow. I bet this is full also. Is that all the way? All the way, man. All the restaurants are so full. Wow, how much is this though? Oh my gosh. Oh wait, I think this is like a, yeah. This is like a seafood. That's it. Oh. No, not here. I want to find something that's a bit affordable at least. That doesn't break the bank. Hello. Is it full now? Is it full? Sorry?
Booking.
I'm not booking. Walk in. Is it full?
Is it?
Is it full?
Yeah.
As of now, sir, I will check if there's an available table.
Okay, sure.
How many are you?
Only one though. Yeah.
Your name, sir?
Name? Jay.
Jay?
Yeah.
Yes po.
Vlogger si Kuya.
Okay.
Ano yan?
Process mo, thank you.
Pasis nga po. Ano to? 114.
Okay, thank you.
Table 116.
Alright, 116. Okay, good. Alright. At least finally found a place to eat. I just need some place to charge my place and settle down for a while. Look, there's Super Mario here. Mario. It's me, Mario. Anyway, I just have my late dinner, I can say. Yeah, I didn't expect I need to pay around 1K 1032 pesos because it's like a all you can eat buffet somewhere. Just there is like a hot pot. So there's many selection of food you can choose, ranging from meat, vegetable, dessert, sushi, and many more. But my major complaint when it comes to that place is the soup itself. It's so bland, the taste, seriously. That's like one of the worst soup I ever drink, man. Seriously, like when I drink, what? It's no taste at all, seriously. So I go with the spicy mala, which isn't that spicy, and the pork soup. The pork soup, both of them, taste very bland. There's no taste at all. Like, what the fuck when I drink it? So in the end, I just ate like, but I need to make sure it's recording or not. Okay. So in the end, I only eat like 50% of what I take. Like the more I eat now, I don't feel like really trying to finish it up because it's just the soup itself particularly tastes so bad. Wow, I think like this is the first time I experience where I don't really enjoy the hot pot. Like, man, couldn't they add a bit of, I don't know, some sort of seasoning or whatsoever? I don't know, I just feel so bland, man. If you go there, then you know what I'm talking about. The great thing about that place is the drink. So they offer a lot of juice and different type of drinks. And you know what's funny? I drink more than what I eat. It's like my tummy is filled with so much water content rather than like all the meat and veggie that I take. So yeah, that's pretty much sum up my experience when it comes to that restaurant. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that I need to pay around 1K peso though. Wait, it's just a bunch of soup only? Then it turned out that, oh, you need to like grab the food from different area and then from there you just like dump it into the soup. I thought like everything would be all in one in the menu itself, but it turned out it's not. It's good that they have a lot of variety, but then again, the soup is the worst, man. Seriously. Yeah. So right now it's 10 p.m. and I'm going to wait for 2 more hours before the New Year countdown start. Let's see. Wow, so a lot of people waiting there. Right. Since there's a lot of crowd, I'm just gonna raise my camera rig here. Look at that firework. Some crazy firework. You can see a lot of people walking in this road. What do you guys think? Apologize if I can't get a much more closer look at the firework, but yeah, this is the best I could get shot. Because there's just so many people though. Here's how I celebrate my New Year here in Manila. So I'm gonna head back to my hotel right now since there's nothing much to do. Still got one more place to go in Pasay before I go back to Brunei. So after checking the map, still got around 2 kilometers, I guess. So maybe it took me like 20 minutes to reach my hotel. It's pretty far, and there's so much honking some more. This is what I call city life and city life. So such a busy area even at this time. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can hear me at all with all those traffic sound, especially all those honking. They are non-stop though. See that side, the other side, crazy man, seriously. And even at this bridge, so people selling stuff also. Yay, we finally reached the poorer area of Pasay. Oh my. Well, at least I safely reached my destination. Right. It's like the other side of the Pasay area is much more safer and much more clean compared to here. So you can see like there's a clear contrast between this area and the other one that I go. I'm sweating like crazy, seriously. Been walking for like almost an hour. Yeah. Damn, and there's still got firework going on nearby my hotel already. And I'm going to wash up and head to bed straight away because I feel a bit sleepy already. Staying awake from morning till midnight, oh that's crazy. But man, it's what a day. It's what a day. Looking forward for tomorrow where I'll explore Okada, Manila because there's casino there. So I'll see you guys in the next video.